After finishing the shakedown at Rio, the MotoGP project team proceeded with tests at Twin Ring Motegi in April and May. The purpose of the April test was to test run the new engine on a GP circuit for the first time. In May, the development team joins the new team members. Randy de Punier has joined the team as the new development rider. And the team has appointed Davide Brevio as the team manager. At last, the Suzuki MotoGP team starts to accelerate preparations for its return to the Grand Prix. Randy is testing the V4 Specs 800cc in its final form in 2011 at Valencia. The day started by first testing the feel of the 800cc, and later the new specifications of the inline-4 engine was tested. This was the first time the new team tested on a circuit, and the testing proceeded smoothly, like in a real race. It is only a few days since the two teams have joined forces, but every member of the 20-person team in the pit, including the riders, brings their own portion of first-class professionalism.
The big change to compare this one and this one, and also the engine character. This one was very aggressive. This one she's very smooth.
The record time today with the 1000cc inline-4 engine was 1 minute 47.03, and that's pretty good.
I think this bike has a good potential. She's new, and lifetime today was interesting because it was the first time for me on this bike. Only 4 hours on the track with a new bike. The bike is have a good base. Now we just need to work, and it's a long way to arrive at the top. But I'm confident because everybody are motivated in a team.
Davide Brevio, the new team manager, is also feeling positive about the test.
Yeah, this is my first day, and I'm very excited about this project. And today, the first day with Randy riding the bike, I think was very positive. But it's also important to say that this is the very first test, so we will have many other tests in Europe, a few more tests, and so we don't have to come to a conclusion now. We need to go step by step, and we will make a balance after a few sessions, and we see where we are. And next one in Barcelona with everybody will be very interesting.